To all game lovers around the world, here is the gaming PC that we will be introducing this time. Skytech Gaming Nebula Gaming PC. Skytech Gaming Nebula PC is a best-selling mid-range gaming PC. Looking at the configuration, it is equipped with the 13th generation Intel Core i5-1340OF, which is a CPU chip with excellent cost performance. The GPU that plays the central role in gaming performance is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, which allows comfortable gameplay at 1080p. The storage uses a 1TB NVMe high-speed SSD, which contributes to shorter game loading times and faster OS operation. 16GB of DDR4 memory is also included as standard, so even resource-demanding games will run without stress. The power supply unit is a 600W80PL US Gold with room for future GPU upgrades. Although the design of the case is simple, it exudes a cool atmosphere and is a stylish integrated unit that is typical of a gaming PC. Equipped with RGB lighting on the front, you can emphasize the presence of your PC with colorful colors. The cooling system is also well designed and will not overheat, even when overclocking or playing with high-spec graphics for long periods of time. Overall, it can be said to be a gaming PC with specs commensurate with the price. It has the machine power suitable for playing games at 1080p resolution, and is considered to be the best machine for middle-class gamers. Here are the benefits: a CPU-GPU combination with excellent cost performance, high-speed NVMe storage included as standard, there is room for future graphics card enhancement, stylish and cool design, adequate cooling performance. Here are the disadvantages: GPU power is insufficient for 4K games. The specs are not intended for overclocking. High-end gaming is difficult with 16GB of memory. There is a problem with the expandability of the housing. Lastly, please give us a high rating and subscribe to our channel.